Hello, I've seen that I've got a bunch of new subscribers on my Brian Ropar's Plastic Chair World YouTube page, and I want to welcome all of you to the Plastic Chair page. This page is as real as it gets. I do have autism, and plastic chairs are my autism special area of interest. I've been collecting plastic chairs for about 15 years. I do have several other types of chairs here and random things that I also collected. Right now I have about 400 and some chairs on here. I did get rid of a bunch. I've probably owned about 600 to 800 plastic chairs in my life. The first time I saw a plastic chair, I thought they were the most beautiful things ever created, and I just had to have them ever since then. I've been into these chairs all my life. The first design for plastic chairs appeared around 1942, and then I think it was 1974 they came up with the design for the first plastic chair that really got this industry going. And then in 1984 Growflex brought plastic chairs to the US. And then several companies were formed in the US. A lot of them ended up going out of business. And right now there's only one major manufacturer of plastic chairs in the US, Adams Manufacturing. Yeah, Growflex no longer makes the original model that they used to. I don't know why, because they were great chairs. Yeah, so this is more than a hobby, this is my life. Yeah, I do have a background in electricity and engineering, and I do come from a very big engineering family. I got all kind of stuff back here. Got my power line out here all hooked up the whole way to the meter socket down there. Yeah, this is the desk right here where I design all my projects. And I have my radio station right here. I got all the Evil Genius books. I even got one of these. There's my radio. Infrared generator. Hello, yesterday during the thunderstorm I disconnected my wire from here that goes up there to my 500-foot loop antenna that's up in the trees up there. And I just laid the wire down right here in the yard. And about 20 seconds later, lightning hit that tree down there. I don't know if you can see it. You can see all kind of wood and everything laying down there. Yeah, I got these 3 different types of supersized guitar pickups on the beam of my house. I got this low and high coil. I got a piezo pickup as big as the beam. I get this electromagnetic pickup. And right there I got that microwave oven transformer with some magnets on it stuck to the beam with some clamps. So I basically turned my house into a giant electric guitar. Yes, I painstakingly wrapped the entire beam in 550 feet of wire. And this experiment is not done yet because I want to undo that coil up the wire, and put it on the entire length of the beam. About 5 turns between each stud. And turn the entire beam into a giant guitar pickup. Yeah, I also have this 50-foot long violin on the ceiling. It just goes all the way down there, and I got some mechanical frets. And to amplify it, I have this lawnmower starter coil with some magnets on it, and there's a nail pounded into the brick. My dresser in my room. I got my utility pole. I got a T-post down there, some vintage tools. I got a water meter, an electric meter back there. Current transformer, pulse register for a water meter. I got this 100-year-old power line fuse right here. I have a gas meter, I have a telephone network interface, Jacob's ladder, electric fence post back there. I also like to build things like these model trains that I have right here that I can ride on. I also build these airplane and bottle launchers. Anyway, back to the chairs. Yeah, I'm going to say my best and most favorite one is my Growflex Malaga chair that's right here. And my most rare ones would be these 2 here. I don't think there's anything in this collection that's actually really odd or anything like that. So we have some kitchen chairs. I got a couple school chairs right there. I have some Adirondacks. I have a couple high chairs laying around on here. I got a folding stool. There's another high chair over here. There's some stacked school chairs here. Some folding furniture, a lounge chair. Yeah. There's another school chair next to this bench right here. I don't really have a least favorite chair or anything. Yeah, I have some rocking chairs, kid-sized chairs. Yeah, this step 2 kid-sized folding chair is kind of rare. You don't see those very often. Then I got that Step 2 rocker right there. The most decorative chairs I own would probably be these two. I have a really fancy Growflex one over there, but you can't see it. I don't feel like digging it out right now. And I would say the Cyrco American Rose chair right there with the roses on the back. Yeah, chairs like this, US Leisure Big and Tall, aren't very valuable because they're still making them today. Yeah, I would say probably 95, maybe 90% of these chairs are out of production today. Yeah, Adams Manufacturing is like the only manufacturer in this country that's actually making chairs like this right now. All the other companies pretty much quit making these either because all the original employees from the 80s retired and they moved on to other products. Some people didn't like these because they were bad for the environment, as people say. And some of these chairs have some liability issues, which is one of the big reasons why they quit making most of these chairs. Yeah, some of these chairs, like these two right here, are very unsturdy and unsafe. I mean, you can see how thin and unsturdy this chair is right here. If you sit on that on a slick, smooth surface, you're going to go right to the ground. Alright, I'm about done talking chairs here. I'm running out of breath. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and remember to always be comfortable.